Bitcoin Cash has already moving in the same descending triangle, and we need to wait for the breakout that is around at $630. Altcoins market is also showing that similar same thing, that where there is a support around at $710. So quick update, that is the Bitcoin has already broke out from the triangle, that is from the 37,700, and it can touch at the 42,000 resistance. So it is 42,000 level is a very strong resistance, and 40 it can there is a second resistance that is around at 42 to 45,000 level, and from that area we can see a dump in the Bitcoin. But the major resistance is from 42 to the $42,000, and the 200 ml line is also showing that there is a heavy resistance at $42,000. It might touch at that level, and it may go back to the previous levels that inside the triangle, and it can again touch at $28 to $29,000 again at this support. So Bitcoin can touch at that area. And if we talk about for the RSI, it can move around at 56 to 66 level when the Bitcoin will pump around at 42 to 45 level. So Bitcoin RSI will be touching at that area. And if we see for the death cross can be cancelled if we see a fast action in the Bitcoin. If there is a heavy manipulation in the Bitcoin, then we will see a cancel of death cross. The Bitcoin, these 2 MA lines, that is 50 and 200 MA line, these 2 MA lines will be moving straightly, and it will be showing the same pattern that have shown by the Ethereum in the BTC chart pattern, that the 2 lines were straightened in this moment in the April month, and thereafter we have seen a huge accumulation. So Bitcoin will show accumulation at the same thing will happen if the Bitcoin will show a pump in the above, that is 42,000 level. The Bitcoin needs to be the Bitcoin needs to get a support at 42 to $41,000. If we are breaking that support, then again we are coming back to 28 to $29,000. So this was a update for the Bitcoin. And if we see the Bitcoin dominance can touch at 48 level to 56 for 51 level at this area. These areas are very big resistance for the Bitcoin dominance, and from that we will see a dump. So I am patiently waiting from that area. The Bitcoin dominance will show a pullback, and that means the altcoins will show a bullish after the pullback of the Bitcoin dominance. So I am waiting for that moment. And if we see for the altcoins market, let us see the altcoins market, what kind of pattern the altcoins market is showing, the chart pattern of the altcoins market. So altcoins market is also showing that similar same thing, that where there is a support around at $710 billion, and the next support is around at $615 billion. So these are the two supports that shows that the altcoins will be showing dump, and because the Bitcoin dominance will be pumping, and altcoins market will be dumping. So both you can see there is a connection, inverse connection. And if we see this is the update for the altcoins market. If we see the pattern of the BNB, let us see the pattern for the BNB. BNB has already shown the breakout at 347, and it might touch around at that level again, that is 344 to $347. It has already breakout from that $347, so it might touch again at that support, because Bitcoin will touch at the support level which I have given in the previous, that it can touch at the triangle level, this area, that is 37,700 level. So it will be touching again at that area. From that we will see a bounce. So if we see the BNB will be touching around at 347 to 345. From that area we will be buying some BNB, around 5% we will be buying, and the take profit would be around at 15 to 20% in the BNB. If we see for the Ethereum has already breakout from 2390 dollar. It has breakout from that area, and it has pumped approximately 20, it has reached around at 2500. And if we see the Ethereum in the inside triangle, it is showing that Ethereum can touch 2800. So if we see a smaller pullback in the Ethereum around at 2390, so we will be buying some Ethereum also. For the Litecoin is moving in the descending triangle. So if we getting the Litecoin around at 140, if we are breaking out from that descending triangle, that is around at 175, then we will be buying some Litecoin. Until then we will wait for the Litecoin, because it has not breakout from that. And if we see a dump in the, if we see a breakdown in the Litecoin, that is from the $140 level, then we will short Litecoin. And let's see for the Bitcoin Cash has already moving in the same descending triangle, and we need to wait for the breakout, that is around at $630. If we are breaking out from $630 in the Bitcoin Cash, then we will see a pump in the, and if not, then we will move inside this descending triangle. And the support for the descending triangle is around at 470. If we are dumping below the 460, then we will short Bitcoin Cash. And guys, one coin I will show in the last, will give in the last of the at the last of the voice chat, that one coin that you can buy right now, and you will be getting 10 to 30% profit. So we'll be telling in after the voice chat, at the end of the voice chat. So let me see one more coin, that is Neocoin is also moving in the descending triangle, and the it is moving, there is a resistance that is around at 52 level. If we are breaking out at from the 52 $54, then we will be seeing the breakout in the Neocoin. And Cardano coin, the main coin I have came to tell you on the voice chat, on the big market cap coin is the Cardano. I am waiting for the Cardano around at $1.46. Already it has breakout from the previous, that is the when the Bitcoin has breakout, that is 1.48. I am waiting for the $1.45. If we are breaking, if we are retesting this resistance area, after that retesting, then we will see a pump in the Cardano. The take profit would be around at 10% to 20% in the Cardano, but we will put a stop loss around at 1.42, because if we are breaking down below that, then the Cardano will move inside this triangle. So it is a good deal to buy Cardano around at 1.45, and stop loss I have already told. And let's see one more. I have told you about the Bitcoin dominance, altcoins market, and BNB, Ethereum, and Neocoin. Let's see which coin is left. Wave, let's see Wave, no coin. Unify, let's see Unify coin. Yes guys, Unify has already breakout. It has breakout from the triangle. So if anyone wants to buy, then buy 2 to 3% of the UNFI coin, UNFI coin. And guys, one more thing, as I have already told in the previous voice chat that you can buy ATA. I have already told around at when the ATA was around at 0.77, and from there it has shown some pump. And if we see the pump, it was around at 41% to 45%. So congratulations who have bought the ATA at the when I have told on the voice chat at the end. So congratulations guys, you have earned 40%. So we'll be telling some similar coin in the end of the voice chat. So remain online, remain in the voice chat. So 52 participants right now, and let us see who is. Yeah, so I have covered pretty much all the things about Bitcoin, and the all the things that why the Bitcoin has shown the breakout. And we will be retesting, and we at the retest we will buy some Bitcoins. So and the target would be the same, that the resistance area only $42,000 only. And already told about the dead cross, that it can be cancelled only if there is a big bullish engulfing candle in the Bitcoin. If we are breaking out from 45,000, or we are at the $50,000, then I think where the 2 MA lines will be moving in a channel, that is the straightened, these line will be straightened and will be working as a channel. So pretty much all the things I have covered for the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency, all the things.